Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be replacing the front brakes on my friend's 2018 Toyota RAV4. So about a year ago I replaced the front and the rear brakes on this car. But unfortunately it didn't even last for a year, because my friend is back complaining that the whole car is shaking whenever they are applying the brake at a high speed. So after road testing and inspecting the brakes, I came to the conclusion that the front rotors are cooked. So here we are today replacing the front rotors with the pads. By the way, this is not a step-by-step guide on how to do brakes. This video is more about me just sharing my experience with this job. And I hope this might help someone who is watching. That's enough information, let's get this job done. Now I have the car lifted and placed the jack stands underneath. I like to use my voice whenever I'm shooting videos for social media. Here's one of my friends helping me with the job and I really appreciate him. So we used a 21mm socket to remove the wheels. I think we used a 14mm socket to remove the caliper bolts. Now we got the caliper off, let's push the piston back in. Here we are using the brake caliper press tool to press the piston back in. After pushing the piston back in, we made sure our slide pins are moving freely and they are not seized. Well, that one was kind of hard to move, but we took out both slide pins, cleaned nicely and greased them. Now using a 17mm socket to remove the caliper brackets. After removing the bracket, got the rotors off. After removing the rotor, we cleaned up the hub nicely and made sure there was no rust left. And finished it off with a light coating of anti-seize on the hub. After prepping the hub, I moved on to cleaning the caliper bracket. As you can see, I removed those small clips on the bracket and used a drill with the cutting wheel to clean the surface rust. I wouldn't recommend this to anyone because there's a higher chance you might take off too much material and that can cause a different noise when you are done. After cleaning the bracket, we applied a light coat of anti-seize on the mating surface of brake pad support clips. Now we are done with cleaning everything, it's time to unbox the good stuff. I say this because last year when I did this job, I installed a medium quality rotors and pads which was cheaper than this. You might be wondering why we are going for an expensive option now. Well, recently my friend started doing a lot of Uber. And I believe driving a lot of Uber can cause brakes to go under a lot of heat cycles and it will destroy the rotors faster. Let me know your thoughts in the comment and consider following my channel if you want to see how long this Brembo brakes last with Uber driving. Anyways, I talk too much. Let's install the brake hardware that came with the pads. When you are installing these clips, you might want to pay close attention, because these clips can be installed backwards and I have seen someone done it in the past. It should be installed in the right way. Of course, don't forget to apply that little bit of sauce again. Everything was okay until I opened the new rotor. They sold me wrong rotors. Look at the size difference. The new rotors look way bigger than the one we took off the car. So we packed everything and took it to a Canadian Tire where they had the right rotors in stock. Apparently, they sold me the rotors for an EXL model, even though I told them it was an LE. Anyways, we got the parts successfully exchanged. Now we are heading back home to get this job done. Now I'm cleaning up the new rotor with the brake clean, because sometimes it comes with a light coat of oil to prevent it from rusting. Got the rotor on with the wheel nut and now I'm installing the bracket. Even though I used an impact, I like to make sure it's tight with my hand. Now we got the pads in, it's time to install the caliper. Here I am applying a little bit of grease on the caliper where it touches the pads. That's it guys, I took the car for a test drive and there's no more shaking and the brakes are working good now. So on this date, at this kilometer, we did this job. I really want to see how long this Brembo brakes will last. Thank you guys for watching, I'll see you on the next one.